Hello, welcome all of you. Today my lesson is web browser and search engines. Last video I explained about the internet. So we are using internet, but without web browser and search engines, how to do it? This is very important lesson to us. This lesson I will try to explain about what is the web browser and how it's work. Then after, what is the search engines and how it's work, and what are the most suitable examples for those things, and at the end of what's the difference between web browser and search engines. Now, okay, are you ready to do this? Now, let's go. Right, search engines. What is the search engines? Search engine is a website that collects and organizes everything on the internet. This makes it easy for us to find any kind of information. Another meaning, search engine is a service that allows internet users to search for content via the World Wide Web. Main purpose of a search engine is to locate the information you want to find on the website. You want to find information about some topics. Websites have a large amount of information on the internet. In order to get information, we need to know the address of this website. Oh, but it is difficult for us to do because there are so many websites. We can't remember that web address or URL address. So then, how a search engines work? Travels of web spiders and it goes through the internet, and it makes copy of data that it sent and put in a massive database and ranking it using a secret Google algorithm. So we are searching something, then we can find that information. Here is important about search engines. Too easy to find the information we need. Search engines essentially act as filter for the wealth of information available on the internet. So we are using the search engines. We can type whatever the information we want to find. Then after it will filtering that details to we can show it in the web page. Now here with the most popular search engines, Google, Yahoo, Ask, MSN, these are the search engines. Now using search engines, how to search the information. Here with the examples for the Google search engines. In this search bar, you can type whatever the details or whatever the information you want to search. Then you can, after enter that topic, you can press enter key or click the search button. Search engines sort through the more pages in this database. Then find that topic match and it will show the result. Here I put here the cDDR, then search that result like this. That related all the pages I can see on this page. So you can go to one by one this page by clicking that links. Yes, now you have idea about what is the web browser and what is the search engines. Now and finally, let's see about what is the difference between web browser and search engines. Web browser gives you to access to connect on the internet. Search engines help to find that content using web browser. Here with me another difference between search engines and web browser. Now I think you have a good idea about what is the web browser and what is the search engines. So then, let's meet again on next video. Thank you for watching this.